Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Just give me the light.
Alright, so today on set with the boss, Mr. Sean Paul, on the set of his music video house party. Sean Paul, how you feeling?
Good enough. Nice vibe. I mean, I don't usually have the house party on myself, but I like to go to them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's a good vibe. Right now out there is one, so yeah.
The on set kind of the rain are threatening for like fall, but hopefully it does not hard fall because we need everything for going smooth for today, right?
The blessings are enough when the rain fall in a G.
True, that is true.
So that we love. Only when you flood out, it's not a blessing, but otherwise it make the everything green.
Mm-hmm.
I like green for smoke, I like green for spend. What do you mean?
Money.
Yeah,
Okay.
for smoke and for spend and just for enjoy oxygen for breathe too. I like green, man. What do you mean?
Okay. So, my first go say this, we're kind of nervous right now because, interestingly enough, man, say you must talk things and put in the universe. I come from some fest and somebody talk to me and say like, yo, what your dream interview and, like whatever. I'm going to say, I'm going to talk to a couple people already, but honestly, it's actually Sean Paul because I don't really want to make it sound old, but from like back in the day, I'm there Excelsior. Yeah, man, you had the first album, Dancehall album I buy, and it was Dirty Rock. My favorite song on it, are the punky.
We don't know.
Hot sexy punky.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man. So for like talk to it's like a real big deal, and me just say, I really appreciate the fact, say, from a teenager, I must say, people can take reggae music serious, internationally.
Yeah. Well, right now, I mean, to me, as a youngster, back in the damn day, it was to me, just a great vibe to hear dancehall music. People were speaking my language, my likes, my dislikes. People was the rhythm was infectious, and it still is today. It's a basic dancehall rhythm, although there's many variations by now. But when you hear it, you know it. It influences reggaeton. It influences things like Afrobeat right now, and pop music as well.
Yes.
So to me just feel full. I feel a full joyness of just be. Is that a word? Full joyness? I feel a full joyness. I feel a full joyness.
Say it with confidence, a full joyness, yes.
I feel a full joyness. Yeah. To know that it's a music that just affected me and infected me at a young age, and I'm able to take it to the world, in the way that I can.
Yes.
I mean, there's many different, people have talked about, I'm the top of the game, and I am in terms of streaming and certain things like that. But when you talk about performances and you talk about songs with cultural meaning,
Yes.
you have people like Capleton and Sizzla, and you have people like Junior Gang, you have people like Chiching Ching with a very a very entertaining side of the biz. You know what I mean? Popcorn is very melodious to me, and it bring a different aspect also, coming from the Gaza camp at first and unruly, and it's like this is a world that is very diverse. When I used to go out as a kid, I used to go away and play water polo for Jamaica, and
Yeah, we know what that, yeah.
so I go to Orlando and people say, how's the music there, and I tell them and play it for them, and how the people them dress me, I show them how Bogle dress them, I say, but that's punk rock.
Yes.
I'm saying, no, man, that's a dancehall same way. Because we are a small island, we are, influenced by many different types of cultures and blood and just liberty.
Yeah.
That we can, and every 5 years it evolves more and it grows into something different. So it's a beautiful thing to me. Dancehall and reggae is the backbeat or the voice or the heartbeat of Jamaican people.
Yes.
And I just feel proud to represent that way.
Okay.
Straight.
Alright, so let's talk about your EP.
Yeah.
Your EP is called, me get the name correct, Mad Love, the
The
Prequel.
prequel.
Yeah, okay. So now you have some songs on it, so they kind of put them like a cards here. So I want you to just like pick one,
Alright.
and just give me the background story to it. Alright, so which one you have?
Naked Truth with Jhené Aiko.
Girl, I don't wanna talk too much. I just wanna see your naked truth. Girl.
Alright, so how this song came about, me listen it. I'm really love it.
Yeah.
Really love it.
Sensual
I'm hopefully
Bad
a video drop it.
Yeah, I hope that too. Jhené Aiko people kinda, you know, the red tape being kind of caught up right now. But big
I
up
mean,
her.
Big Sean, him not really want you.
No,
He might do the same thing like what Jay-Z do with the Beyonce and Baby Boy video.
No, great chance think alike, you know. So you have to protect your thing, but it's not that.
Yeah.
Jhené, Aiko, she's a big artist right now. She has a lot of touring going on and things. So to actually commit to a video is kind of something that
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
my fingers crossed. But the beat was made, and as I like to tell a lot of people ask me how I collab with so much people. I tell them it start with the rhythm, and then it move on to the tune. If the rhythm set, and then the tune that we write is set,
Yes.
that is the big thing for me. So basically the rhythm was built by Beat Freaks. I did quite a few songs with them. They are actually, it's a very funny story about them. There's 2 Nigerian kids.
Yeah.
One grew up in Nigeria, and one they're brothers.
Okay.
And one grew up in England because his grandmother sent him away. And the 2 of them was doing music unbeknownst to them, and the grandmother found out and said, yo, the 2 of them need to link up back. And the 2 of them linked up back, and them not doing just only Afrobeat, but them doing all kind of different things. And I think this is like a dancehall, Afrobeat,
really
hybrid kind of, you know?
People, I was listening to the song, and you know, Sean Paul have him sang them. When he must say some things, him kind of say it in a code. When you realize, some say, oh, Naked Truth, it nice. And basically, Sean Paul just, and the girl, I say, you know, basically, yeah, I'm not really go around the corner. I basically just want the good something the way you have. But you code it up and everything as usual.
Yeah, nice and pretty.
Alright, so the next one, pick up another one.
Yeah, alright, so I'm going to Meek again now.
I'm going to see which one this.
Bad Love.
Bad Love featuring L.A. Golden, yeah.
Yeah.
You got that bad love, and I just can't get enough. And I know my friends say, yeah.
3 years ago, I met Ellie Golden. In 2015, I'm backstage at a big concert in Europe, and we was like talking, and we said, yo, want to do some song. And I was a fan of the way that you know, she did dancehall, but nobody knew.
Yes.
At the time, the song Fire is a dancehall song, but I mean in terms of the rhythm. What she did on it was very pop, but I found it also amazing.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, you know what, I could do a tune. And she was like, yeah man, she ready, and she down. And
She never hesitate, never itch, nothing like that.
it was a little time before the time.
Wait for your
Before the
people,
thing,
okay.
yeah, before the thing drop in. But this song was a song I wrote with a couple different writers. Cause the hook is a crazy thing. I don't even remember them name right now. Big up to the whole writing camp. They came here to Dan Carleone's studio.
Wow.
Me and Beat Freaks and them did it up. So they wrote a lot of the poppy part sounding kind of vibe, and then me just spit one more spit. And a lot of people saying to me that this song especially kind of remind them of, you know, the old Sean Paul. I don't know what that mean, if them saying that the old now or the old one then.
I think it
But
means
if
just like when they first discovered Sean Paul,
Yeah.
that was
Right.
probably the sound or the vibe.
Righteous. But yeah, this song come to pass now, and I really love it. Ellie Goulding, when I heard her do that Fire song, I knew she could.
Yeah, vice.
Yeah, she could have cut through on any track when I give her. So
Yeah, she have a nice little sexy voice. Alright, I just pick the one here because this one you talk about. Stefflon.
plain
Done.
trip. Me have to big her up and show them. Mad something.
Gimme, calamity. Touching me, touching on my titty. Loving me like
She's basically like one of the hottest things them right now. So how did this collab? You just call our team and body it up and just say, here what? Jump on the song here.
I want to tell you the truth. Me a par with Ramesh and Shensia them, and them come show me it. It's them show me she.
Oh.
Not telling a lie.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, look on a girl, she bad. And I check her out, and I say, yo, the tone bad and thing. And I mentioned it to my management, and when we went to London, she just set up a studio date where we just link up. And whatever come, and she have a Afrobeat producer.
Yes.
But as you know, right now, Afrobeat kind of, it has a lot of influence from dancehall world right now. And we just kind of hit it off. That was the first rhythm in play. I'm going to start hum some melody, and she said that bad. And we got through, and she hum her thing, and after a while, lyrics come, and it just start going till it turn in a jet plane trip.
But Sean, when you have a song, I listen to the song, and I say, if you got tied to the song Jet Plane, I think say it's supposed to be right in the chorus and stuff. I think I probably have one line in the verse.
Yeah.
You actually come here listen to me and say, which song? Are the Jet Playing this? And a one line in the verse. You just drop it in. Where the line go?
Buckle up, baby girl, like a jet plane trip.
Favorite line, jet plane trip in the song because you hear me say now. It's like I was freestyling at the time. I just start spit the lyrics.
Yeah.
And I just drop in play. And so yeah, the jet plane trip. People ask me what the song name. Every time I finish the song, a lot of time I name it what the chorus is or what the chorus sound like or saying. But this one I was just like, yo, jet plane trip it name.
Try one other one.
Alright, G. Mega segment. Who this? Jump on it.
What is this song about, Mr. Paul, Sean Paul? What is this song about?
It's about a pogo stick.
Oh, wow.
Yo, it's just I think it's a much more mature song.
Where's Jinx?
More mature.
Jinx!
More mature than the
Is
joke
Jinx
I
here?
make.
Jinx, what jump on it mean? What is this song about? Huh? Alright, so let me just talk to you about like house party, why is it wasn't important for do a song like this? What is the whole vibe that they try to capture? And what is your wildest house party experience?
Well, first of all, the production is by DJ Frost, and he expressed to me that he was doing an album nowadays, and that he want a song with energy and party vibe and even pool party type scenario thing. And when I heard the rhythm, it really reflected that too.
Yes.
And I kind of start gravitate towards that type of lyrics. I get melodies first nowadays mostly.
Yeah.
And then I start putting on the lyrics. I used to get lyrics first as a youngster because I trying to show me diversity in that segment. But now it's just about vibe to me. And when I hear the rhythm, it shows me the way to go melody-wise. What's the best thing for my voice to do on that rhythm? And then I start get some lyrics. And because he was telling me, I want it to be about like summer vibes, party vibes, pool kind of thing, outdoor. I was done with it, and it just turned out to be a song called House Party.
I got wasted, but pour me some more. What you want first, pass out on the floor. Hardcore house party.
My favorite house party experience. I went to a house party at my house one time as a junior.
Yeah.
My aunt had a sound system, and she used to keep Easter party and summer party there. So putting on the hits, if you know, that is very old. So nobody will go search it, cause that's old. Putting on the hits.
Back in the
Yeah, man, some things.
70s, 80s.
80s, but yeah, late 80s, but and early 90s, you know. Them time there. But as a youth now, we used to watch the little performance them when people are do and kind of getting on the vibe of it and it elevate from this.
What is it like to be a father? Like you have your youth. Like what is it like? No, what is that whole experience like?
It's an amazing experience. Everybody always tell me, and I've always been good with kids in terms of when them come around, I'm never the person that makes them afraid and them type of thing there. So when it came on to my brother's kids, my niece and my nephew, I fell in love.
Okay.
And it's like my youth now come and basically it's a little me I walk around and I little love my wife too. I see the both of us there and I see grandparents, I see the heritage and I understand that is a real gift in life. You know what I mean? To pass on the gift to my kid. That's amazing. And the gift is that we are all here to experience this. It might be a different ride for him, might be a different ride for the rest of my kids, for my niece and nephew. It might be a different ride for my brother, for all of us. But the thing is to just experience it, make the best of what cards you are handed.
True.
And try don't put no negative. Try don't leave here with no negative nothing for nobody.
Ready? Watch it. Hey. You wanna eat some food? Eat.
Oh, big up.
Uncle Dirty. No.
So Uncle Dirty.
Not even one.
So personally, I think that you and your wife kind of remind me of John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. It's got you tend to feel a little bit more serious and you don't stay out of the little problem. But your wife should know for turn up.
Yeah.
She like the fun one. I think I share the one that broke you out.
It's a great night. Yeah.
Sony party.
Sony party. Oh, and then we're gonna pick up dog at our house.
So before we just want some rapid fire questions. So I'm gonna say something. I just like answer, right? Most annoying thing about Ching Ching.
Marshmallows.
Mama teach you how to roll.
Kitty or Yannick?
Yannick.
Man, not fight for nobody, when not fight for me.
Favorite body part and drinks?
The whole light.
Got the body where you got to it more than about a billion.
The last meal that you had that tasted badly?
I don't remember.
Worst song you heard recently? Oh, you think about one and you don't want to say it?
No, yeah, them have some artists who send me something for do collabs and thing, and never done with it. But I can't divulge, I can't say. But sometimes me have to just frisbee the thing, you know. Them give me a CD, and I just say, is this a frisbee or is this a song? I'm gonna put it in the CD, this, cause I still work with CD.
Yeah.
Put it in the CD this and it go around 2 times. I'm here and I'm saying, no, that's a frisbee. Boom. Fly it out of the car like a frisbee. Tickles me, man.
Which video girl was your favorite?
Which video girl was my favorite?
All your music video. Which video girl? Me personally wants a ponytail.
For them power chill, now them fuel injector.
Yeah, Ponytail was very unique, but I think Tanisha Scott was at first a video girl for me, like in terms of somebody who was just there doing her thing, and then she turned into my choreographer, and she has been very instrumental, so I'm have to big her up.
We be burning, not concerning what nobody wanna say.
Favorite way to say vagina?
Pum pum.
Alright, that's it for the interview with Mr. Sean Paul. A big deal settings music video. Hopefully, the rain still a hold up, so I'm going to just show you around and make you see what the behind the scenes stuff look like. Peace out.
Bang, 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 bang.
I think you know she a freak, you know she be doing.